Good afternoon, Chairperson Sir, Honorable Judges, members of the opposition and members of our House. The topic for today's concern is the ISET score is the best possible way to select students for university admission. As the rebutter of the proposition D, I have the duty to count on the points which were put forward by the first speaker, second speaker, third speaker and the fourth speaker. So let me move on to the first speaker. He pointed out the fact that ISET score is something that they define on technical, logical and ethical grounds. My dear ladies and gentlemen, we don't want to go into a definitional challenge. Definitional challenge is not required here. We'll go into the general areas, the general issues that we should discuss in this debate. The key point which I was able to realize from the first speech was this understanding or the awareness on ISET score. As the proposition, we believe we do not want to go into the technical aspect. ISET score, x minus mu divided by standard deviation, which is what you call the technical aspect. We don't want to go into the deep aspects of this ISET score. We just want to focus on the outcome which is favorable or unfavorable to the society or to the community. And the next point, which was brought by the captain, which was about the previous system, there were 4 subjects done, and the new system, the 3 subjects were done, and like some sort of thing that some subjects being eliminated. For example, I represent from a commerce background. Before the previous system, there was statistics, which in the present system also, there are statistics which exist for students, which we have the option in doing these subjects. And the first speaker, he's saying that because of these new systems, some subjects have been eliminated from the system, and there's this ISET score has not been able to give a particular weightage to this system. No, my dear ladies and gentlemen, that's highly irrelevant in this scenario. And let me add a certain point to this speech, like the understandability. Like think of rocket scientists. Rocket scientists are the people who know how to launch a rocket and the missiles. And we don't want to go search into how the rocket is being constructed, what are the minutes, what are the physics involved, what are the rotation, what is the statistical significance which should be involved in this scenario. That is highly irrelevant. We should look at the outcome of this ISET score, not go in deep to it, like calculation of the ISET score, and as it like there was this point which was brought by the third speaker, which is some sort of a solution which I come to later. Let me move on to the second speaker. Second speaker, my dear ladies and gentlemen, we were not talking about 100% situation. This is not 100% situation. In this society, in this world, there's no 100% situation. 100%. You would be like a utopian if there's a 100% situation. This is highly irrelevant. ISET score, you are saying ISET score is 100%. It should come across, it should give rise to, it should provide a better solution in this regard, which is highly unlikely. In this topic itself, my dear ladies and gentlemen, people may think the ISET score is the keyword in this topic. Ladies and gentlemen, ISET score is not the keyword in this topic. The keyword in this topic is the best possible way. We emphasize on the fact that best possible way, not the ISET score, the technical aspects and how the ISET score being calculated, how the manipulations being done. We as the proposition, we believe that ISET score has become the most suitable as well as the best possible solution in this scenario. And whereas these R&D costs, research and development costs. Yes, we believe there is research and development costs. But the thing is, ISET score if you come across, think of education. Parents are spending significant amount of money for education. Because why they are spending? To come up with an outcome, a better outcome in future. to make that he saw her son to be a more professional in society. That's why if you invest something, if you incur some R&D costs and come up with a new solution, then if the solution is being feasible and consistent, then why not incur R&D costs? It's the most appropriate in this regard. Let me move on to the third speaker. Third speaker, my dear ladies and gentlemen, the technical aspect. The technical aspect, and they came up with a solution. We wanted a proposal, a solution, a better solution for ESETSCO. They came up with it. ESETSCO, the median-centered ESETSCO or something. Median-centered or Tom, Dick and Harry ESETSCO or whatever ESETSCO, you can come up with ESETSCO or JSCO or whatever it is. But the system is, what is important in this regard is the solution, the important solution in this regard. And the other aspects which you are talking as the fourth speaker, the timeliness, flexibility, feasibility. Yes, we know, but we know all this is the system that you propose, the median-centered ESETSCO. Will it feasible in this sense? Will it be feasible? Will it be timeliness? Will it be convenient? Please, I challenge. Please, demonstrate us how it is relevant in this case. The proposal that we know.